To turn off the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, what you have to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Let's do it now. You'll get these options here. And to turn it off, you just have to press here. Right here at the bottom, you see side button settings. Click there. From here, you can choose how do you want this side button here to behave. To do that, press here on long press and then tap on this option, power off menu. This way, if you long press it here, it will bring this power off menu. You no longer have to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time in order to have access to the power off menu so you can shut down your phone. The other way you have to turn off your phone is by going through the quick settings. To access the quick settings, you just have to tap on the top right side of your phone and swipe it down. And right here at the top in the middle, you can see the power off icon. To turn off your phone, tap there. This will bring the power off menu. And from here, you can tap again on power off. You'll get this button again. Tap again, and that will turn off your phone. Your screen will turn black, and before the shutdown, your device will vibrate.